Disseminating what we do, how we do it, and the values that lead our action is an essential aspect of our sustainable business. As a matter of fact, we recognize the role that awareness and knowledge have in enabling the shift towards a green, efficient, and responsible energy consumption. This is especially true when it comes to engaging with new generations for the role they should play in ensuring and enduring the decarbonization of our society. We want to play our part in assisting this process. At Falck Renewables, we are active in building chances to share what we know with our stakeholders, being them students, researchers, population at large, or others. To us, these interactions produce new value for what we know, and often we receive much in return, being thoughtful discussion or the creation of new contents. Which are the initiatives we are involved in? They are basically four. We collaborate with academies and research institutions. We develop, take part, or support education and training programs. We participate in national and international events on the themes of clean energy, green economy, and sustainable development. And we offer a knowledge base to our staff. We have a constant collaboration with academies and research institutions. We believe the interaction with higher education has the special value of bringing our company close to a world of talented students. This is why many of us volunteer to lecture in many universities in those countries where we operate. At the same time, we open part of our datasets to researchers so that their investigations create new knowledge and we can access an insight that is strongly connected to our practice. An example of cooperation for research recently occurred in Norway, where we opened our wind and meteorological data to PhD candidates of the Western Norway University of Applied Sciences. They carried out a study about the interaction between hydropower generation and wind energy potential in the areas where we are building our new wind farms. A relevant piece of information that we got direct access to. But we do not limit our interaction to tertiary education and research. Apart from supporting individuals that want to become renewable energy technicians, as we do in the UK, we also give great importance to collaborating with the schools in those areas where we operate. To that end, in many places, including Milan, we have structured partnerships with high school and training institutes to open our offices and plants to visits, where we explain the fundamentals of green energy generation. Moreover, we have started to work with the elementary schools in the territories around our plants, with the aim of spreading awareness on sustainable energy among pupils. Recently, we have started a program with the Scottish Council for Development and Industry aimed at bringing kids closer to renewable energy. We stage laboratories where young students can play with renewable energy experiments, and we also stage short training sessions for their teachers so that they can gain knowledge and competence to replicate these laboratories for years to come. Given that Falck Renewables has the ambition of becoming an international point of reference in the space of sustainable business, we often take part in national and international events. Some of them we also co-organize. We do so with the aim of disseminating both our vision and practice, as well as a chance to discuss such aspects together with our peers and other stakeholders. Among many others, for example, this was the case of our presence at the Wind Europe conference in Hamburg in September 2018. Finally, in meeting companies' sustainability goals, we have to make sure we share these values among us, within the company at first place. To do so, we are developing for our staff a sustainability knowledge base around our community engagement approach. And separate but related topic, in the recruitment process, new hires are assessed also on how they share our approach to sustainability and on their ability to deliver within a responsible framework.